It's 6 a.m. and before your feet even hit the floor, you've checked your Instagram, you've checked your Facebook, you've checked your TikTok, and you've read all your emails. And now it is 11 p.m. You've checked your phone 147 times and you've been scrolling for the last 5 hours. Does this sound familiar? Your phone is not a tool anymore. It's like virtual. So my name is Steve and I'm a tutor. I've taught in high schools and I've tutored in universities and I've even tutored adults beyond that to make them become productivity gods. Now, one thing that I find is that the phone, this thing, has insidious intent to disrupt your productivity and steal all your attention so you get nothing done. So I've come up with a set of tools and protocols that'll work for anyone, no matter how addicted you are to the phone, essentially. I want to fix this permanently for you. Now, spread the word. Please spread the word. If you think there is someone in your life that is struggling with this kind of thing, send them my way, please. I want to help as many people as possible because I may be a little bit crazy, but I think this is ruining the world and we need to fix this problem immediately. So that is exactly what I want to do. So this whole ad is for the Phone Smasher course. Now, essentially what it is you and I, with a very dedicated group of people like yourself, get on a call and we discuss and outline the exact tools and methods we need to permanently get rid of this phone slavery, right? And it's not just going to be me having pre-recorded videos, but I'm going to be live on the call, essentially. And I'm going to make sure we stick to our templates. We have a workbook. Make sure you get your homework done. Keep you accountable. And you will never, ever have this phone problem ever again. Okay, so I want you to imagine you're going to Subway and you get a footlong and you get the whole combo, right? So you get a Coke with it and you get, let's say you get 3 cookies, for example. And then on top of that, you're going to get the double avocado and you're going to get some pineapple as well. And then you're going to get the double meat and the double cheese. So that is one gourmet sub you're going to get. And that is essentially the price of the Phone Smasher course. It's only going to be $19 US. But imagine this. $19, fix this problem forever, right? Never have to worry about it again. So that is my mission. I just want to find as many people and help them break free from the phone.